Hello everyone, welcome back to Pharmaceutical Concepts. In this video, we will be revising quickly IR spectrum and wave number values. Spectrum means a graph. In case of IR, we get graph which is percent transmittance versus wave number which is in centimeter inverse, and all the peaks which we get in IR spectrum, those are deep down curves. Unlike UV, in UV we get peak like this, in even in chromatography we get peaks like this. Okay, in mass spectrum we get peaks in the form of lines. Okay, IR spectrum looks like this. Now these wave number values are from 4000 centimeter onwards. 4000 centimeter inverse to 1500 centimeter inverse is called as the functional group region. Okay, and there is another region below 1500 centimeter inverse which is called as fingerprint region. This fingerprint region is very much crowded, so many peaks we get here in fingerprint region, and maximum number of peaks occur here because of the bending vibrations. Now here in functional group region we have single bond region, we have triple bond region and double bond region. In single bond region, OH stretching peak appears around 3600 to 3500 centimeter inverse. NH stretching peak we get around 3400 to 3500 centimeter inverse. Okay, so this is around 3600 centimeter inverse OH stretching. Then we have NH stretching, and next we have here CH stretching. So all kind of CH stretchings, that is from alkane, alkene, alkyne or any structure, okay, that is around 3000 centimeter inverse. Okay, so mainly from 2900 centimeter inverse to 3090 or 3100 centimeter inverse, in this region we get all the peaks which are because of CH stretching. Here very characteristic CH stretching of aldehydes, we have to remember CH stretching peak of aldehydes appear around 27 centimeter 2700 centimeter inverse. This we have to remember because it is a very characteristic value at which the peak of aldehydic CH appears. Now in triple bond region, the peak of C triple bond C stretching and C triple bond N stretching, it appears around 2200 centimeter inverse. Again very characteristic. Whenever you see peak around this 2200 centimeter inverse, that could be because of C triple bond C stretching or C triple bond N stretching. So based on the molecular formula we can further identify whether it is C triple bond C or C triple bond N. Next, double bond region mein we have C double bond C. Okay, so this C double bond C could be from aromatics, it could be from alkenes. Okay, so this C double bond C appears around 1600 centimeter inverse. Then we have C double bond N stretching and C double bond O stretching peaks appearing around 1600 centimeter inverse. Okay, and to be very specific for C double bond O stretching, you can see here in this chart as C double bond O appears in carboxylic acids, it is in esters, it is in aldehydes, it is in ketones. Okay, so whatever is the neighborhood of this C double bond O, that is carbonyl group, okay, depending on that we get peak at particular wave number. Okay, we can remember here around 1760 we get peak of C double bond O stretching which are from carboxylic acid, and the least one among this is aldehydes and ketones C double bond O. Okay, now next example of C single bond O. See, this is C double bond O we are getting here in around 1600 centimeter inverse, but C single bond O stretching, and similarly C single bond C stretching and C single bond N stretching, these appear around 1100 to 1300 centimeter inverse. Okay, and next, very simple, we have C single bond Cl, that is halogens which are attached to carbon. Okay, these halogens, they appear around 600 to 900 centimeter inverse. Then we have a very characteristic peak for nitro group. So this nitro, okay, NO2, which has oxygen, okay, so it could be symmetric stretching also, it could be asymmetric stretching also. So NO symmetric appears around 1550 centimeter inverse, this is very characteristic, and NO asymmetric stretching appears around 1350 centimeter inverse. So these are the two peaks which appear for nitro group. So for nitro groups we always get two peaks around 1550 centimeter inverse and 1350 centimeter inverse.